Ever wondered what it took to land humans on the moon for the very first time? The Apollo 11 mission wasn't just a rocket flight. It was a defining moment that united humankind. Curiosity soared beyond Earth's horizon as Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins began an odyssey that changed history. From the launch pad to lunar footsteps, they carried the dreams of millions. Let's dive into the remarkable start of this cosmic adventure. Before astronauts could float in lunar gravity, one enormous machine had to be conceived, the mighty Saturn V. Werner von Braun and his team engineered this colossal rocket to deliver humans beyond Earth's comfort zone. Fueled by liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen, it burned with unstoppable power. Once ignited, it roared off the launch pad with a thunderous presence that still captivates. Let's uncover the brilliance behind Saturn V's historic design. Preparing to enter the unknown demanded intense simulations, underwater weightlessness drills, and pressure suit trials. Neil Armstrong, famed for staying calm under pressure, honed precise landing techniques. Buzz Aldrin's experience with docking procedures proved invaluable. Michael Collins, waiting in lunar orbit, refined command module operations. Their training combined science, bravery, and unwavering focus. Each step was a testament to NASA's resolve, forging a team ready to face the perils of deep space. On launch day, excitement pulsed through the Florida air. Families gathered on beaches, eyes fixed on the towering rocket, while NASA teams triple-checked every system. As the countdown neared zero, smoke billowed and colossal thrust ignited. Saturn V thundered skyward, leaving a trail of fire and a chorus of cheers. In that instant, human ambition soared beyond the horizon, marking the beginning of an astonishing mission to explore the lunar frontier. After separation from the final stage, the crew meticulously orchestrated the translunar injection. This maneuver propelled them away from Earth's orbit and toward the moon. Inside the command module, they experienced microgravity, carefully handling instruments and daily tasks. Meanwhile, star trackers provided navigation, ensuring the craft's precise trajectory. Trust in both technology and years of rigorous training allowed them to edge ever closer to uncharted territory, bridging the gap between terrestrial life and lunar dreams. The lunar module, nicknamed Eagle, delicately detached for its solo descent. Inside its cramped cockpit, Armstrong and Aldrin double-checked gauges, scanning for any anomalies. As they neared the surface, dust and shadows shifted, fueling tension back on Earth. Lunar craters came into sharp focus through small windows. With finite fuel and only seconds to spare, Armstrong piloted Eagle to a safe landing. Humanity held its collective breath for those historic first steps. When Armstrong's boot pressed into the lunar dust, his famous words echoed across the world. That single, careful step was proof that dreams could become reality. Aldrin had joined soon after, describing their surroundings as magnificent desolation. They planted the American flag, but this triumph was universally shared. The men collected moon rocks, tested the lunar soil, and marveled at Earth's fragile glow. This moment signified the boundless potential of human collaboration and discovery. While Armstrong and Aldrin explored, Michael Collins orbited alone, safeguarding the command module. The unsung hero, he maintained vital communications and performed crucial system checks above the moon's far side. His perspective, gazing at both the lunar surface and distant Earth, offered a profound sense of solitude. Collins had no regrets. He knew he was integral to this grand mission. His calm vigilance ensured a secure rendezvous for a triumphant journey back home. After rejoining in lunar orbit, the crew performed a critical burn to leave the moon's domain. Their spacecraft soared toward Earth with collected samples, data, and stories that would captivate generations. Tension rose during splashdown preparations, but parachutes unfurled flawlessly, slowing their descent into the Pacific Ocean. Recovery teams waited eagerly, ushering the astronauts into quarantine. This triumphant return sparked celebrations worldwide as humanity realized that a new cosmic frontier had been opened. Apollo 11's legacy transcends hardware and lunar footprints. It cemented an unshakable belief that, with innovation and determination, humanity can expand its boundaries. The mission's success inspired further exploration, pioneering space stations and rovers on distant worlds. Yet at its core, Apollo 11 united us in awe, reminding everyone that we share a fragile planet. This groundbreaking achievement continues to spark curiosity and creative ambition, fueling our desire to push ever farther into the cosmos.